It's on. Hello, this is Mr. Jadon from Malvern Prep, and brown sugar is in the news for the 2016 AP Micro Exam. Question number 3. We're going to have a junior talk about brown sugar and how it takes place in Camden Cakery. So, Jadon Diehl from Malvern Prep, junior, micro question number 3 from this year's test. Go get it.
Camden's Cakery is one of many dessert cafes serving the local community. Each cafe produces a slightly differentiated product. There are no barriers to entry or exit, and the firm is in long-run equilibrium. A. Draw a correctly labeled graph showing Camden's demand curve, marginal revenue curve, marginal cost curve, and long-run average total cost curve. Label Camden's profit maximizing output, Q subscript M, and its price, P subscript M.
Alright, so here I am going to explain what these mean. So, MR, where I labeled right here where MR, marginal revenue, equals MC, marginal cost. With a monopolistic competition in the long run, it also experiences similarities as when it's in the short run, where MR equals MC. However, in the long run with monopolistic competition, the demand, AR, also shifts, or not also, but it experiences a shift because more firms are entering into the market, and there's also an increased amount of competition. This causes them to produce under their average cost, and they do not experience economic profit.
Only
They only experience normal profit.
because their price is
Because their price is equal to
the average total cost.
Yeah, average total cost curve.
Right there. Very good.
LRATC.
B. On your graph in part A, label the output at which total revenue is maximized, Q subscript R.
Okay, so I already prepared the total revenue curve underneath my monopolistic competition graph. So here it shows where QR equals the total revenue, and that also illustrates where there's excess capacity within.
It shows where the total revenue is maximized. And by the way, that's where, look at that red thing boxed, MR equals 0. Does that mean Mr. Ostick, or does that simply mean when the margin?
No, marginal revenue equals 0.
Total revenue is
equal to.
Because it's
increased.
maximized.
Yeah.
Very good. Next one.
C. Firms in this market experience economies of scale. These economies of scale are neither in long-run equilibrium. Explain.
This firm experiences economies of scale. However, I showed you where this economies of scale would occur also. It experiences economies of scale because this is where they want to produce at QM1, and that's where it's equal to up here. So the firm is producing at economies of scale because that's where they maximize their profits.
And what's the definition of economies of scale? It's the part of the long run average total cost where long
runs are decreasing. And it's the opposite with this economies of scale.
And it appears that if this was competition, they would actually produce a greater quantity and get even more economies of scale, but we are in the economies of scale region at quantity QM. Very, very good, Jadon. Thank you so much.